there. Happy Halloween. At least we're getting there pretty soon. Maybe the end of the month we'll be there. And will be a lot of witches and ghouls and zombies out and about. Today we're going to be drawing a little witch. A little witch in training. Witches have to learn somehow to be the wicked people that they are. But this one's going to be cute. So we're going to start with a circular kind of U-shaped face. There we go. And we're going to have a little bit of a nose right out here. I'm making things really light at first. Line down the middle. That works. Really small lips. Here we go. There we go. Just a little suggestion of maybe even this chin will be more like that. Come back up this way. And then back that way. There she is. Eyes will be about that far apart. Use an eye width for the measurement. Arch it up this way, and then down at the bottom, and then up. Down at the bottom, and then up. Kind of wide-eyed and big. And then the brim of the hat is going to come across here, flop down in front of that eye, and then go back up. On this side, we're going to go how far down? That's pretty good, right? Like that. And we've got a hat, little band on the hat, maybe a double band to make it a little thicker. And the hat is going to go way up here, way up, a tall witch's hat. A couple of curved lines, and maybe this will come around, curving like that. Oh yeah, there we go. I like that quite a bit. She's going to have sort of elf ears that are going to come out of her hat, so we need a circle here in the hat and a circle cut out right about there on the hat. And then her ears are going to come out here, here, kind of elf-like. There we are, kind of elf-like. Nice. And I think she'll have a hanging medallion hanging from her neck. Give that a thickness. And then this will go back this way. This will go back this way around her neck. And she'll be kind of looking up at us. Right there and right there. Maybe this one could be a little bit bigger. Yeah, there we are. Okay, gonna take a little rest there. Okay, we're gonna decorate the hat with stars and a crescent moon. Maybe there'll be another star. Little star here. Well, that's a square star. Gotta make that more like a star. Damon, get with the program. There we go. Boom. And come back in. That's better. How about a big star? Big star right about here. Right above that hat band. Oh yeah, that looks good. Yeah, one more. Boom, boom. That'll do it. Okay. Then I think we'll add a cowl. And then on this side, another cowl. Yeah, like this comes around. This will go down. There's our little witch in training. I've added some more hair coming down. Changed her eyes slightly, gave her some lashes and eyebrow. Lashes over here. A little shading under the nose and nostrils, and I also exaggerated that smile and added a little single tooth, sort of vampire style on a little witch. I've really lightened up a lot of the dark lines with my eraser because I'm going to use some yellow, and I want the yellow to be nice and pure. I'm going to use a marker for this part. Got some gold oil pastel to finish off the headband of this little witch in training. And then I've also got 2 shades of green for the complexion of her face. I'm going to punch those up and make those darker. Then I have a purple pencil for her hat. Traditionally that might be black, but I'm going to make it purple against the already yellow marker for the stars and the crescent moon. Continue on with our little witch in training. We're going to finish the hat off with the rest of the purple here. And you can see that if you look down on her face, I worked on her eyes and her eyelashes. I darkened everything up. And I also gave her that green complexion, and I worked on that to make it a little bit on the ghouly witch kind of side, if that's even a term. Halloween term, the ghouly witch side, but she still remains cute and keeps that kind of cute quality to her overall look. The brim of the hat, I'm going to make this lighter oil pastel color and carefully fill that in. And what else did you miss while I was gone? While you were gone? Either one of us. We're not here. I did the hair coming down with the red-headed witch. And I'm going to work on making the hair stand out a little bit more against her hat and her cowl, that big floppy collar that comes around the back of her. So give me a second. Decided to make things stand out more with a little black outlining around the yellow moon and stars on her hat, and I may even outline some more in black, making her shape of her face maybe stand out just a little bit more. And in a couple other places, give her that rich black contrast from the black colored pencil. And finish the beads off and the amulet and the cowl, and I'll see you in the next frame. Our little witch in training is just about done. A few more touch-ups, and maybe I'll darken that hair a little bit. And let's see what kind of red I've got. That'll work real fine. Yeah, there we go. And the whole drawing is all about contrast. The dark green against the light green for a complexion. This marker is not working too swell. The black and the gray here in the cowl area. Okay, new marker, please. Yikes, I don't know if I have one that's gonna be helping me to work. Here we go. Here we go. Ooh, wow, that's really red. Okay, we'll use it. We'll make it dark in some places. We'll make it work for us. There we go. Oh, sugar smacks. Boy, that came out really fast. Okay, I'm gonna have to doctor that baby up somehow. Same way with this side. Ooh, there we go. Couple of hairs here. Now we're working better. Sorry, little witch, I messed your hair up over here. See if I can maybe make a double line out of that. There we go. Shoot. I'm so sorry. Yeah, that's not too bad. Sometimes the worst mistakes can be fixed quite readily if you don't freak out. There we go. Could have done a little better job on the hair, but wasn't expecting that to happen. Okay, almost done. One more there. One more there. Cool. We salvaged it. What's missing? Ah, yes. The swirling amulet on her necklace. Every witch has an amulet. Amulet. I can't say it correctly. A spellbinding totem piece to make spells from. I like that. I like this maybe with a little bit of the green in there. Yeah, swirl it around. Take it right into the gold frame of that piece right there. And we are done with our little witch in training. Please like and subscribe. I'm working hard here to overcome those kinds of mistakes. Have a great Halloween.